If you're wondering what is the difference between local disk C and local disk D, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. Local disk C and local disk D are commonly found on Windows computers and are used to represent different partitions or storage drives on the system. Each disk serves a specific purpose, and understanding their differences is important for managing your data and system effectively. Here's a fully explained comparison. Local disk C. Local disk C is the primary partition on the hard drive where the Windows operating system is usually installed by default. It is the main system drive, and all the essential system files, programs, and the Windows registry are stored on this partition. The C drive is typically designated as the boot drive, meaning that it contains the necessary files to start and run the operating system when you power on your computer. By default, the C drive is set as the location for installing software and saving system files and user data, such as documents, pictures, and other files unless you specify a different location. It is essential to keep the C drive well maintained, as running out of disk space on this partition can lead to performance issues and system instability. Local disk D. Local disk D is an additional partition on the hard drive, often created by dividing the total storage space into multiple segments. This partition can be used to store data separately from the operating system and system files. On many pre-built computers, local disk D is not set up by default, and users may need to create it themselves or allocate the space during the initial setup of the computer. The D drive is often used to store personal data, media files, backups, and other files that do not require the same level of protection and security as system files. Separating your data on a different partition like D can be advantageous, as it allows you to reinstall or update the operating system on the C drive without affecting your personal files and data on D. Comparison. The primary difference between local disk C and local disk D is their purpose and content. C is the main system partition where the operating system and essential system files are stored, while D is an additional partition used for personal data storage and other non-system files. If you found this video interesting, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and let us know if we missed anything in the comments section. Be sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this in the future.